For more than 100 years, Speed Queen has been producing washers and dryers in Ripon, Wisconsin, nowhere else. This community is where we live, work, and play, and where we build our commercial-grade products for homes across the globe. While many manufacturers are moving operations overseas, we are growing locally. We hire skilled employees who take pride in their work and are committed to producing a product that is built better to last longer. At Speed Queen, cutting-edge technology meets craftsmanship that has been refined for over a century. Quality comes first. We don't cut corners in design and engineering, and we only use the highest quality components. We plan, we test, and we build our machines with commercial-grade metal parts that are proven to last 10,400 cycles or 25 years worth of laundry. So you know you're getting the quality, durable product generations of people have come to know and love. You won't find us in a big box store or in your backyard. We partner with over 3,200 independent dealers in neighborhoods across the U.S., ensuring you have direct access to local experts and service providers. American quality products made with American pride.